Hello everyone, welcome back to the Priyanka Rattawa show. Vada Pav was the most famous Mumbai street food snack. Deep fried batata vada inside the laadi pav with hot and spicy garlic chutney is so satisfying. There are three components for this recipe: potato mixture for the vada, vada batter and the peanut and garlic chutney. I'm going to start by preparing the batter. In a bowl, let's take besan or gram flour, salt, little turmeric, chili powder, Ajwain, Kasuri Methi or dried fenugreek leaves. Rub it between your palms. Mix all the dry ingredients. Next, add water and mix well to form a thin batter like this. Keep it aside. Let it rest and we move on to the next step, that is preparing the potato mixture. Let's add very little oil, mustard seeds or rye, add grated ginger, chopped green chilies, stir it and roast for 30 seconds on medium heat. Next add handful of curry leaves, Haldi or turmeric, stir it. Now comes our boiled potatoes. Sprinkle salt, mix it well until the potatoes have got nice yellow color. Lightly mash the big chunks if any. Now little lime juice, lots of coriander leaves or dhania. Mix well and cook for 1 minute and our potato stuffing is ready. Let it cool. The potato mixture is made using very less spices and the peanut and garlic chutney is very hot and spicy. Let's make the chutney. Add oil to a pan. Put lots of garlic cloves. Stir it and roast at medium heat until the garlic becomes slightly golden brown. Now add peanuts or moongfali. Stir and roast nicely for 2 to 3 minutes. Next goes in healthy sesame seeds or pill, coriander seeds or dhania, cumin seeds or jeera. Roast for another 1 minute. Now add in the desiccated coconut, drops of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix well and cook for 30 seconds. Chop the stir and season with salt. I'm going to transfer it into a bowl and allow it to cool for a while. Then blend it into a coarse powder. Let's beat the batata vadas. For that, take some potato mixture, roll to make a spear like this, and then press it slightly to give a sticky shape. Let me quickly make the rest. I have some oil nice and hot. Let's take one of the potato tikki and dip it into the besan batter. Coat it nicely. Take it out, remove the excess batter, then goes in hot oil. Pour little batter to form very thin pakoris known as chura. Fry on medium hot oil until they have a nice golden color. This looks good. Let me take out the chura first. Then the batata vada. Drain excess oil and onto the paper towel. This looks so yummy. All our components are ready. Now it's time to bring them together. I have slightly heated the laadi pavs. Don't roast much, it should be just warm. Slit the pav from middle, keeping one side intact. Spread some green coriander and mint chutney, sweet tamarind chutney. You can find the recipe for tamarind chutney on my channel. Next, put lots of garlic chutney. Then place the batata vada. Make sure you make vadas according to the size of your pav. Top it with the chura. This will give crispiness to it and feel of a perfect street style vada pav. Cover and press lightly. Mumbai style Vada Pav is ready. Ayushi calls it an Indian burger, and if you ask me, then I would like to eat a Vada Pav instead of burger. This can be had in breakfast, brunch, or as an evening snack, and it goes well with a cup of tea also. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay Foods. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.